To add credit or debit card into your iPhone 17 Pro Max, all you have to do is just open the settings. Now you have to scroll like all the way down and go for Wallet and Apple Pay. And then you have to go for Add Card. Now pick one of the card, for example the debit one. And here you can choose a bank. You can also use the search to find it a little bit faster. Click continue, and we got two options. We can place iPhone on the card, just like this, or we can enter card details manually if this method is not working. So we can just click here and now input the name that is available on your card, then the card number, click continue, and you have to input this other date like valid and the security code that is available on the back. And after that you can just click apply and it will be added into your Apple Wallet. So that's basically everything. Hope you find it useful.